The future of AI.
Can AI appear conscious?
All of us have a fear that technology will be replacing what we humans do in the near future. Isn't it? The common man feels that he will have to compete for jobs that were once being done by him and now have been taken away by the computers. Something like what happened when the steam engines and the spinning jenny came in and did to the traditional textile craftsmen during the Industrial Revolution. But the present is different. Like me, you too would have started discovering the power of AI because of the many AI tools that have become so common and easily available. Look around you and you will see AI invading so many areas and especially happening in the last 1 year. It has been insane is what we have to say. The problem is people don't understand what AI is or what it does and feels like they are being left in the dust. To start with, AI makes your experience better. That's the basic. Like AI helps summarize things for you, correct your language, your grammar, your spellings, etc. Thus saving you time so that you can answer more complex questions. You can type in a more complex question and it may kind of give you an okayish answer that you need to evaluate for its correctness. So it makes your life a little bit easier, is it not? Well, that's the primary way of explaining the use of AI. The fact is, AI is going to be in our lives across everything we do. We need to learn to understand what it is good at and what the pitfalls are. And we need to watch it more as it encompasses more areas of our life. While it's making our life easier by doing things the way we would have normally done, we develop a feeling that it has kind of become human. The question that often gets asked is, does AI behave like a human? Does AI have some form of consciousness like we humans? Let's listen to what Sunder Pichai had to say during a recent interview.
Consciousness is a deep topic and it's something that is not yet fully understood. We all feel it, we all perceive it. So I think there's a difference between what it means to be truly conscious AI versus can AI appear conscious. I think the second thing is, I think in the next few years you'll clearly have AI which will give you all semblance of being conscious and you may not be able to differentiate. But I think that's a very different question from is it actually conscious?
Which
is a more profound question and it's a very deep philosophical conversation.
That's true.
How do I know you are conscious, right? How do I have a way of knowing it? And so I think, it's a bit above my pay grade.
So friends, AI is not going to take over the world in the near future. But there is going to be a complementarity between computers and humans. It isn't just a macro scale fact, it will also be the path to build great businesses and a great future. This kind of man-machine symbiosis, that is, if humans and computers start working together, you could achieve dramatically better results than either could attain alone. Peter Thiel, in his book 0 to 1, talks about why people miss the power of complementarity. He says it starts in school. Software engineers think it's cool to work on projects that replace human efforts because that's what they are trained to do and think it's cool. For computer scientists, that means reducing human capabilities into specialized tasks that computers can be trained to conquer one by one. If you look around, the trendiest fields in computer science in today, the very term machine learning evokes a kind of image of a replacement of a human being. It makes us believe that computers can be taught to perform any task so long as we feed them enough training data. We have let ourselves to become enchanted by tech. Remember that technology doesn't run the world, but we people do. AI cannot replace humans, but will be incorporated into our life and into our work. And there will be some jobs that will be completely automated, but it is hard to predict now. But most dumb, boring, and dangerous, low-skilled, repetitive jobs will be taken away by AI, thus giving us humans more time to be productive and creative by developing complementarity between computers and us, that is, the humans. Thus, developing the mindset of innovative and creative skills are the passport to success and deliver performance beyond expectations. Till next time, Jai Hind, friends.